Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify CSS breakpoints using Bootstrap. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred code editor. Create a new HTML file and name it index.html. In the HTML file, add the basic structure by including the doc type, HTML, head, and body tags. Within the head tag, link the Bootstrap CSS library from a CDN. You can use this link, https://maxcdn.bootstrapcdn.com/bootstrap/4.5.2/cs. Inside the body tag, create a container using the Bootstrap class container. Add a row using the Bootstrap class row. Within the row, create 3 columns using the Bootstrap class call. In each column, add some content such as text or images to help visualize the breakpoints. Save your file. Open the HTML file in a web browser to view the layout. Resize the browser window to observe how the columns adjust according to different screen sizes. Bootstrap has predefined breakpoints you can utilize for your layout validation. The first breakpoint is for small devices, or SM, which typically starts at 576 pixels. Then, there's MD for medium devices at 768 pixels. Next, LG for large devices at 992 pixels. Finally, XL for extra large devices starting at 1200 pixels. As you resize the window, notice how the columns stack or align based on these breakpoints. To further test, add custom styles or additional classes to see how they behave at various sizes. Ensure that content remains user-friendly and accessible across all devices. This quick tutorial allows you to effectively verify the responsive behavior of your layout using Bootstrap's capabilities. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can expand your design based on your requirements. Remember to save changes and refresh the browser often to see updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.